Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the hints of the voice control on iPhone. So what you want to do is to open settings, then you want to swipe down a little bit, go to the accessibility, then go to the voice control, and now you have something like show hints. From the start it is enabled, also the show confirmation is enabled from the start, from the factory settings. And what it does that if you're using voice control, some hints are going to display it in the top section of the screen. If you don't want to have the hints of the voice control, just click on and disable the show hints of this, and from this time you're not going to get any hints in the top section of your screen of the hints for the voice control. So again, how to get to this setting. So open settings, swipe down, go to accessibility, go to the voice control and click on show hints. Now it is on and now it is off. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!